Hi everyone, it's actually the next day. You probably can't see on camera, but it's raining, and it's raining quite horribly. But it's actually getting heavier as I'm speaking. Actually gives us quite a good opportunity for me to show you how well this drainage is actually working. So let's have a quick look before I get absolutely torrentially downpoured upon. So the rain is coming in off the guttering quite nicely, as you can see here. A very satisfying sound, if I do say so myself. Obviously P-trap, so we've got some water in there, water under here, and then it just runs down here. If I move this, as you can see, nothing is coming out of this end, so we've got a good fall on it. So then we go down to the next trap. Again, got that lovely sound. But the best bit about it is, when we get into the soakaway, before it really comes down, yeah, we'll get into the soakaway, and hopefully you can see this. I'll try and get you in a little bit closer. Hopefully you can see that just there. The water's coming out lovely. Cool, I've shown you that. It's really uncomfortably raining now. Oh, the other thing really quickly, that is all the pea shingle I had. Like a stupid boy, I only ordered one bulk bag and had the wonderful thought that might actually do it. So we've got all the rest of it to finish off. But what I've done is yesterday I already ordered 3 more bags of pea shingle, so they should be coming, well, they're on their way today basically. Good old PGRs doing their good bit again. Fantastic delivery times. Right, 3 bags of shingle have just turned up. I'm not going to wait for the rain to stop because I want to get this done. So without further ado, let's just get straight to it. Doesn't that look like a level out of Battlefield 1 or something like that? There are a few little gaps here and there. There's one in there. There's this little bit here. The drainage is ready for inspection. It's basically done, apart from those little bits I've showed you. I'll finish those off tomorrow morning. If you're interested in learning how to lay bricks, click this playlist here. If you want to see this whole house build from the beginning, click this playlist here. I'm absolutely schwacked, so we'll call it there for today, and I will see you all tomorrow morning. Toodaloo.